Look at her, look at her. See? Y'all think she all this perfect Thai woman. Look, she can be crazy too. What, what you hit me for? Oh, you were mad about the restaurant, huh? Were you mad about the restaurant? Remember at the Russian restaurant? Was you mad about that?
No.
So why you just start hitting me out the blue? What's this? What's going on? I got it on tape. They gonna see how you act. They gonna see. You're crazy.
What me crazy?
With the big old legs. You crazy with the big old legs. Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG. Thai noodle ding dong. Oh, ooh, she coming out the sweater. Uh-oh. It's about to be on now. Oh, what you doing with the big old leg? What you? You are heavy.
No, not same you.
Well, I like when you do that thing with your hair. Put it back in the ponytail. I like when you do that. That's sexy when you do that. Oh, she buy up 9. Buy up 9 means get in the shower. Man, you just trying to rub it in our face, huh? That your crap is real. Oh, that's what you do before you get in the shower? You do the little bun? Oh, okay. Are you finished hitting me so I can turn my camera off now? Because you beat me up. Oh, now I ain't turned now. They like to see that real-ish. We got to give them the real. We got 70,000 now, Noodle. You going to get your own channel. You going to get your own channel real soon. Y'all want to see L? I know y'all don't want to see me. Y'all don't care about me. Y'all just want to see L. They don't care about the editing. They don't care about the production. They like, we want to see L. Oh, ding dong. Buy up now means take a shower. All right, well, go buy up now. With your big old legs.
We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my that they see this crazy life I have been hanging on. We gon' win. You can take the loser draw. What I'm in. Now these used to play me in they wrongs. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world while these haters get mad. That's why all my that they see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we take them to the pad. Every time the beat drop, beat drop, beat drop, beat drop, beat drop, beat drop.
You know, I'm gonna try this, man. I'm just gonna let the video go. I'm not gonna do no slick editing. We got this. Hey, Noodle, can you say slick editing? Where you going, man? They don't want to see me. They want to see you.
What see me? See here.
All right, we finna stop her, y'all. Let's go stop her. We in Wild Hen with. I gotta, for y'all that ain't seen yet. Y'all seen my joint out here? Let's see. Got a nice little personal little balcony area. There's a bunch of shops, massage parlors, all kind of stuff, man. It's everything right here. And over there is the Bangkok hospital. I had my checkup for heart, man. You know, your boy, the Travel OG, might be having some heart issues. So the blessing was, I didn't know I got a hotel that's right next to the Bangkok hospital that specializes in heart. So I did me a little CAT scan, whatever that's called, CT scan. So I'm supposed to get my results tomorrow, man. Y'all pray for me. But that's what's up, man. You gotta stay on top of it. You gotta check up under the hood. So we're gonna see what it do, man. I'll show y'all that too. This is really like, there she go. All right, let's go this with her. Let's go this with her. She don't know we coming. She don't know we coming. Yeah, now what you wanna do? Now what you wanna do? You was jumping on me, now what you wanna do? What you What you Alright, y'all wanna see Elle get ready? It's
เธอ
nighttime.
จะมาดูฉันอาบน้ำไม่ได้นะ
She said she taking a shower. You cannot. I can, but y'all cannot. Tell them Noodle they cannot, huh? Tell them Noodle cannot.
Me shower you cannot
Oh yeah? I can. I bet you I can.
yes just only you
I bet you I can.
just only you
Yeah. All right, y'all. So we are in Wahin. I think we got one more night here. Then we back to Pattaya. And what y'all like, man? Y'all like these little raw videos, man, where we just I don't have to do a bunch of work because I still got work to do on this other episode. See, still got work to do. This is just the rough, rugged, and raw. This is where the haters be finding shit, man. What you drinking Pepsi for? You know, why she got a pink bag? Why you got a blue bag? They be hating. But I like it. Let me see. It's gonna be my experiment, Noodle. We just gonna do a video without me doing a bunch of slick editing. It's just gonna be you. Since everybody like Elle so much, we gonna see. They don't like the Travel OG. They like the Thai Noodle.
what we do
I don't know what you do. I don't know. What do you do? Huh? We gotta ask them. What do you do?
I don't know
Let me see. You do cook. You clean. You do my clothes. But you didn't get my clothes washed today, though. What happened? What happened?
what happened
Yeah, what happened?
no morning people
Oh,
morning
morning, huh? Okay. Well,
you can have
can you come here? Can you come here and give me a kiss? They need to see you. They can't see you back there. This is what y'all want. That's what y'all wish y'all had. Why you cover up the phone? You messing up my shot, man. You messing up my shot. All right, y'all. So, give y'all some YouTube game. Oh yeah, by the way, thank you guys for 70,000 plus subscribers. Man, you don't know how grateful I am to all you guys, man. Friends, family, enemies, haters, all y'all contributed to the success of Zoom to Thailand, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. Really do. You know, when we get to 100, though, you know what we gonna do? We gonna have that party going, so y'all better get ready. I'm about to, let me show you guys, since we just rough, rugged, and raw. Y'all don't know how much time it takes me to do this shit, man. Let me show you guys. What we got cooking. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe. I mean the notifications, so you guys know when I'm about to do a live. Because sometimes I just drop these joints, man, out of here. Okay, so let me give y'all. This is what I be going through. Why it takes so much time, right? Okay, now watch. Now what I'm doing is I'm mixing in the episode when I was in LA at World on Wheels here with
Richie Mac, Travel OG.
Here with me golfing in Thailand, right?
Let's get it. I just wanna zoom out to Thailand. Once my flight land, then I turn it into my
Shout out to Big
land.
Bass.
Richie Mac, I'm a
Alright, it's lagging for some reason, you guys.
ride
But
van.
I'm
Once
mixing it in, right? So that's the episode I was gonna put up.
She love chocolate, watch her walk it, 'cause she
But then I was like, if I do it like this,
she 5'1".
if I do it like this, then it's going to be confusing because people are going to be like, they got skate rinks in Thailand? And not to my knowledge, I don't think they have skate rinks in Thailand. So that's kind of confusing. So I'm going to have to re-edit this all over again.
In them hills
Take
like
this
she
out.
5'9". Hit subscribe, going live, 9999. Rich,
All the
Mac,
time I spent on this,
overseas, that's that travel. OG.
I gotta scrap
Pay up,
it.
Visit when you can. Wanna zoom to Thailand.
got my little Michael Jackson. See, so what I'm
Richie
doing
Mac,
is,
Travel OG. From the original BAWC.
so this has to be on the LA episode. It can't be on this episode. So all this work I did was for
I just
nothing.
wanna zoom up in Thailand.
Hey,
I just wanna
and I gotta add that little rump shaker in here.
Thailand.
Girl, shake your rump.
I just wanna
See me being the DJ.
zoom up in Thailand.
Girl, shake your rump. I gotta throw that
I
on
just
there.
wanna zoom up in Thailand.
So all that work. So y'all see, man. So that's what I'm saying. I gotta re-edit that. It's gonna take me another probably 2 days to do it. So I'm just gonna give you guys this rough record and raw behind the scenes. Got my little punk ass little ring light. So when I do my Richie Mac live on Sunday, you know, y'all get to see. I just went and bought one, and I just sit out here, sit in this chair, put the camera right there, and give y'all a little taste of what Wahin, Thailand looks like. And also, I'm gonna give you guys some like cultural stuff too, man. It's like we can't just do the drop it and pop it videos, you know what I mean? We want to give you guys some culture, man. There's so much more to this country than just, you know, females and massages, man. There's so much more, man. So much beauty, so much history. It's really, really dope, man. So I'm about to get back on that, man. But yeah, man, so that's what we about to do, man. I really want to know, man. Y'all write in the comment section. Let me know, man. Do y'all like these just straight up raw videos, like uncut and just showing you the day in the life? I'll be really trying to like give you guys what you want, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, dig. See if I can get Noodle to say theme music from the shower. This is all live. This is all continuous cut. Hey, Noodle. L. You gotta say L. Y'all can't call her Noodle. L. Now, let me check and see if she's okay. Okay, yeah, she's good. Can you say theme music?
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.